In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a transition to all clips at once in CapCut Desktop. If you're editing a project with lots of cuts, adding the same transition between every clip one by one can take a lot of time. Luckily, CapCut Desktop gives you a quick way to do this in just a few clicks, which helps keep your edit consistent and saves a lot of effort. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, you'll just need a blank project. If you already have footage arranged, simply continue with that existing timeline. Next, add multiple video clips to the timeline. This is important because the Apply to All feature only makes sense when you have several clips placed one after another. Make sure your clips are arranged in the order you want before applying transitions across the full sequence. Now, apply a transition between any two clips. You only need to do this once manually. Choose the transition style you want to use throughout the project and place it between one pair of clips on the timeline. This first transition acts as the example that CapCut will copy to the rest of your edits. After that, click the transition you just applied directly on the timeline. When you select it, wait for the transition panel to appear on the right side of the screen. This panel is where CapCut shows the transition settings and the controls related to that effect. Take a moment to review the transition settings. This is useful because you'll want to make sure the transition looks the way you want before applying it everywhere. For example, this is the time to confirm the style and general behavior of the transition, so you don't have to go back and change multiple cuts later. Once everything looks good, click the Apply to All button. CapCut will then begin applying that exact same transition to every clip in the timeline. Depending on how many clips you have, this may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. When the process is complete, click the Play button to preview the timeline. Watch through the sequence and confirm that the transition has been successfully applied to all clips. This final check helps you make sure the timing feels smooth and that the transitions are consistent from one clip to the next. And that's it. That's how to apply a transition to all clips at once in CapCut Desktop.